Welcome to my channel. Today our topic will be the characters of a famous drama, Caretaker. The Caretaker, by Harold Pinter, is a play that revolves around three characters, Aston, Mick, and Davies. Davies is an elderly tramp who is given shelter by Aston, one of the other characters. Davies is a complex character, full of contradictions. He is manipulative, cunning, and selfish, often scheming to get what he wants. Yet, he is also vulnerable and needy, constantly seeking validation and security. Davies represents the marginalized and disenfranchised in society, struggling to survive in a harsh and unforgiving world. Aston is a quiet and enigmatic character who provides shelter to Davies. He is kind-hearted and compassionate, offering Davies a place to stay despite his own struggles. Aston is also somewhat mysterious, with a troubled past hinted at throughout the play. He is skilled with his hands and is working on building a shed in the room where Davies stays. Aston's relationship with his brother Mick is strained, adding tension to the dynamics of the play. Mick is Aston's younger brother, who initially appears more assertive and domineering compared to Aston. He is ambitious and seems to have plans for renovating the house, but his intentions are often ambiguous. Mick's relationship with Davies is particularly contentious, as he sees through Davies' manipulative tactics and is quick to challenge him. Mick represents the more aggressive and pragmatic aspects of human nature, willing to assert his authority to maintain control over his environment. Thanks for watching.